the outline, and then like
We just have to draw the glass and then the suits thing.
Just like we only have to draw
Lines and
steps. Only 3 steps.
Yes, only 3 steps.
Just draw the outline and then draw the inside and color it.
Just line and line and line and line and line and line and color and color and color and color.
Okay, everybody, are you ready now?
Yes.
Okay, if you're ready, please zip your mouth first.
What are you doing?
Okay, wait, yeah, I'm going to share some movie first with you.
Around the world, nearly 1 million plastic water bottles are sold every minute. Millions of tons of plastic waste enters our ocean every year. Plastic can take lifetimes to decompose, leaving our planet drowning in waste.
Our planet is in trouble. We're reaching a crisis point when it comes to plastic pollution. But it's also solvable.
That's why we, at National Geographic, are asking our global community of changemakers to join us in choosing planet or plastic. From the pages of our magazine to the work of our scientists and explorers, we are using our voice to connect with millions and drive change. We've launched a global, multi-year initiative to reduce plastic waste in our ocean. We're supporting research to answer key questions.
We're tracking this plastic from source to sea
and fund innovative solutions.
All the exterior facade is made from 100% recycled plastic bottles.
We're empowering the next generation of leaders by supporting educators and engaging students.
Whatever lesson that I'm teaching, I try to make connections to the real world, to the environment, and to their personal lives.
It's not something that's a next generation problem. It's a problem that we need to solve now. It starts with people caring, and when you care, then you make a difference.
We hope you'll join us and help turn the tide on plastic waste.
We are the ones that can do something about it.
I'm really excited to see how we can solve this massive plastic problem.
All right, what do you think about the plastic pollution? Let's discuss. Yes, Ruth first. Raise your hand. After Ruth, Dipanka, be ready.
When I watched the video, I was like shocked that seeing all the trash on the sand, and I think it's not good to throw trash on the ocean. And inside the fish will die.
Yeah. How about you, Dipanka? What is your opinion?
Some sea animals that like eats you know that one that, oh my gosh, I forgot the name, but they just eat plastic instead of the animal.
Okay, yeah. What do you think, Alithia? After that, Ivo, please be prepared, yeah? What do you think about the plastic, Alithia?
There was so many plastic on the sand, and they could have just like throw in the trash can.
Mm-hmm. And then?
So that's why a team of a team of the savior that collect plastic bottles and sold them.
Mm-hmm. Okay. How about you, Ivo? What do you think about the plastic? Is it dangerous or safe for our Earth?
It is dangerous because remember the part when there's all garbage at the street and then animals eat it?
Mm-mm.
They die because of the plastic, trash. Everything is very bad if it's trash. It can make the animal die.
Yeah, make the animals die because it's consume a plastic, yeah. When the fish eat plastic and we eat the fish, it means also the plastic will go to our stomach also later on, right? And it is very dangerous even for animal or for humans, yeah. From now on, Mr. Al really engage you guys. Please reduce or reuse your plastic. If you're going to the mall or going to buy something, please bring your own paper bag or your shopping bag so that you don't need to get the plastic from the vendor later on. All right. So do you
Mom
think that?
never said that.
Yes, Ivo?
My mom never said that.
Yeah.
Do not bring a plastic bottle.
Yeah.
Al, I want to say something.
Yes, Ruth?
It's dangerous for us to eat plastic because we can also die.
Yeah. Why? How? How we die because of the plastic?
How we die? The fish eat the plastic. We we eat the fish and the plastic. It will go to our tummy and we just die.
Yeah, make you feel stomach ache and suddenly you cannot breathe, and then yeah, you will have a lot of complication in your body and suddenly you will be dead. Okay, do you think that plastic is one of the pollution, Devanka? Do you think that the plastic, the trash and everything is one of the pollution?
Yes, yes,
What do
yes.
you think, Ivo? Is plastic also one of the pollution?
Well, yeah.
Okay, what do you think, Alithia? Is plastic also one of the pollution? Alithia?
So don't use plastic, and also it's bad to eat plastic because it will kill you.
Okay, yeah. So the plastic will also kill us if we eat the plastic later on. Okay, type of pollution. What do you think? Pollution is, how many type of pollution? Come on. Is it air pollution or water pollution or trash pollution?
It's trash pollution, I think. Why are you muted?
So what do you think? Type of pollution, air pollution.
Air pollution.
Mhm.
Also,
Air pollution. And what else?
trash water. Trash,
Plastic pollution.
not trash pollution, plastic pollution.
Yes, what else?
Water.
Water pollution, water pollution.
Is that only three things?
I don't know. You can add as many as you want. What do you?
Soil.
What?
Soil.
Soil? You mean? What do you mean?
Soil.
Soil like this?
Soil pollution. Yeah. Yes. Soil
Okay.
pollution.
And then what else?
We already did air pollution, plastic pollution, water pollution, and soil pollution,
And then?
maybe is there any paint pollution? I don't think so.
What?
Paint pollution. Paint. We paint. I don't think there is that type of pollution. Maybe paint
It's
pollution.
okay. We just read it first. Maybe we can check later on. Yeah.
So I meant we throw the paint to the ocean. That is very dangerous. I never did that.
Yeah. Don't do that, please. Okay.
You
Right.
make it really bigger.
Yeah. Thank you so much for your contribution in making our presentation looks really merrier now. Now, next things. How to save our earth from pollution? What do you think? Who wants to?
We have to take bottles, not plastic bottles.
Take glass bottle, not plastic bottle. And what else?
That is so long.
What else?
Use less plastic and produce less trash.
Say it again, please, Alithia.
Use less plastic and produce less trash.
And reduce. Reduce what?
Less trash.
Less trash.
My trash, just trash. I forgot to.
Okay, now, Ruth, One more wood. Make it complete. One more.
Okay.
What you can to save the earth?
By putting trash in the trash can.
Putting trash in the trash can.
By the way,
Is there anything else?
like this.
Yeah. Okay, is there anything else, Ivo?
If you go shopping,
Mm-mm.
take some bags, not some plastic.
Use some bag, not plastic, yeah? Okay. Wow, we just
The word by take glass bottles, not plastic bottles.
Yeah.
Use less plastic and reduce less trash. Putting trash in trash can. Use some bag, not plastic.
Wow, that's cool again. All right, now this is our last one. Let us create the Save of Earth campaign poster. Okay, now I want you guys to prepare your paper.
Yay!
I already prepared it.
By the way, do you
Have you
see my
prepared your-
ass?
Have you prepared your paper already?
I haven't even prepared my paper.
Ah, come on. We're going to create some cool poster, okay, about save the earth from plastic. Okay, I want you guys to color this one first.
Paper. There you are. I need paper.
Yeah.
You are.
Right, now we're going to make some abstract color first. Whatever color you want. Just use any kind of plastic
That is my.
or
Mr. Al,
yeah?
may I go to the toilet?
Yeah, you go to the toilet first. I will wait. Yeah, go to the toilet first. I'm going to wait then. Okay, for the rest of you guys, you can try to make the background color first. You can use blue and light blue and the blue
I'm
is
gonna draw some trash too. Don't forget to draw that.
no, we're not going to draw the trash. We just draw the very clean blue, like a blue ocean, something like that. Okay. Come on, Alithia, we can use our paint now. Sorry, Mr. Alice, usually one step ahead from you guys. So you guys can follow me.
Still taking it.
Yeah.
I'm gonna like draw some. After that, I'm gonna draw some people putting things in a trash can.
Yeah, after this, yeah. We're going to make the simple one first, the simple poster first. We just use any kind of this is the abstract blue colors. We're just trying to make something very dramatic.
Marker is this.
Okay. And use purple also. Come on, Ivo. Today we're going to be busy, okay? After this one, we're going to draw somebody throwing some trash can, and after that we're going to draw the Among Us drawing. Yeah.
Is it upper side or down side?
Upper side, like portrait. This one, portrait. Like this. Yeah. This one is landscape. This one is portrait. So go. Yeah.
I do not want to mix the color.
Yeah, this is fun. You just put any colors you want first, guys. Later, we're going to put some word on the top of the.
Bit realistic. Not that realistic. I'm not good at painting like outside. Yeah, don't paint outside because it will be messy or paint scribbles. I don't even paint scribbles. But when I was little, I paint scribbles.
Okay, after this, I will give you a challenge how you guys can draw Among Us by yourself without the need Mr. Al's guidance. Yeah.
I don't think I need any help.
Can you do it by yourself?
I draw Among Us since I was little. I ever try to draw it, and with a little bit of more practice, I can draw Among Us.
Is it?
Yeah.
Oh, okay. Let's see, yeah, Mr. I will test you one by one how you can draw it without Mr. Al instruction. Okay, now Mr. Al trying to make some splash technique.
I'm gonna draw some ocean.
Okay, I'm just trying to make some splash effect on my.
Oh, that is kind of awesome. I have seen the uni. I think the black one is like some trash.
Some what?
Trash. The black one is like some trash.
Yeah, probably.
And also the red one, I think. But it's so cool. I think I can draw it. But I'm not there again.
Okay. So I'm going to use
Draw some like dots, but with like blah blah blah.
Come on, Ivo. Do it, Ivo.
Already doing it, okay?
Okay.
Calm down. No one is clumsy at class. Mr. Al, do you have Among Us in your whatever tab or phone? I have it in my tab.
No, I don't like to play a game, actually.
Why? I have it in my mom's phone.
I like to play a game outside, like running, doing some tagging game with my friend. Not just wasting my time to just in front of the screen to play a game, Among Us, something like that. I don't really like, but it's okay if you like it. That will be your business then. I don't try to disturb you. Don't play games too much.
Well, I like to play drawing games also. I have a drawing game. It's called Sketchbook.
Oh, that's cool. Yeah,
I have a
that is
drawing
not.
game.
Yeah, that is not wasting your time if it is related with the education, like drawing, singing.
Drawing game.
Yeah.
It is named Kids Toodler. It's for kids and you can toodle.
Yeah. What do you think, Alethea? Do you like to play a game also?
She has Roblox.
Is it?
I like playing. My favorite game is Minecraft and Roblox.
Wow.
They pay. My brothers always have them. Roblox is not good. My mom says I don't play that much.
Yeah, it's okay to play a game sometime, but you need to be careful if the game is available for your age. Is it to is it only for
Well,
kids or yeah? Yes, Ivo?
some of the apps is like Minecraft, but they don't pay. It's not like the original Minecraft.
Okay.
It's different one. So calm down if you download it. Calm down. Yes, you already calmed down, Evo. No, if you download the app.
All right. After this one, Mr. I will keep away my paper. I will save it somewhere first to let it dry. And after that, I'm going to draw the earth. Yeah. For drawing the earth, I exactly need some circle things like this.
Wait, what?
Yeah. You can use tape if you don't have like mine, like a can. That you can use like a tape.
Mr. Al is a very special artist. He can paint everything which is like in the real life.
Yeah. So I'm going to draw some circle. Yeah.
Some circles, yay!
So one circle in the middle, like this.
I am doing light purple. Are you holding it up?
Yeah.
Is that your water or the paint's water?
Yeah. After you're done doing your background, please draw the what?
Chocolate tastes like caca. Ruth, put your background forest thing. No. I have a fish one.
Okay. I think now I'm going to try to draw some circle using this
I will put a background.
baby band.
There, isn't that better? Yeah, it's like this. has a Christmas background.
Wow.
Yeah, but she also have it. Her mom have it.
It looks like I'm drawing scribbles. Wait, are you drawing a circle? Oh, that color beside it.
Loh. Loh kok bu mix toh?
Lights.
Ding 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 ding.
Ini.
I know that song.
You know this song, Ivo? Let it go, let it go.
I know.
I know.
Can't hold it back anymore. Let it go.
Bad boy.
Yeah, okay.
Bad boy, huh? Bad boy,
Who is
bad
it,
boy.
Alithia? Yeah, you have to be careful when you splash it, yeah. But don't worry, since we are using the watercolor, it can pop. If it touch the table, you can just wipe it with the
Apa?
tissue. Or, yeah, it will be solving the problem.
That happens if you use the biggest brush in the world.
Ow! Something got in my eye. The paint.
No. That's why I see that. Be careful if Ruth. Please don't be too excited to splash your brush. Yeah, just slow down. Do it very very slow.
Okay.
Eh sudah. Bikinin nggak?
Well, sometimes I'm a little bit not be careful.
You have to be careful, Ivo. Please.
I'm trying to be careful.
Yeah, don't forget after this you have to present your work. Yeah, you
Right
also
away.
you also need to create your own slogan. Okay.
I know your YouTube channel.
Yeah, your slogan, like you have to make it different with your friend, not following your friend later on. Okay. First of all, I would like to say thank you because you guys are very active in terms of. Oh, good job, Ivo. Now you just draw some.
It's rebels.
No, not a scribble. We will draw the earth. Yeah.
Yay, Earth! I love Earth. Earth is my home.
Earth lover. What is that?
Home sweet home.
Home sweet home. I know that word.
Right. The earth.
Sweet home sweet. I want to draw Earth cartoon. PNP blah 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 blah.
Yeah, you can put some eyes like these guys.
I'm gonna do the Earth.
Yeah, you can put some eyes for the earth like that. Okay, Mr. We'll put some eyes.
I am just going to make a heart at the top.
Ding ding ding. What is that? Why do you draw a smiley face or nothing?
This is the earth.
But Earth doesn't have a face.
I know, but we are talking about the poster, right? In poster, everything can be possible.
Oh, do you mean the Earth is happy because of the trash? Earth doesn't like trash.
Yeah, but yeah, instead of focusing on the negative, I really like to create something positive, like the earth is smiling.
I'm gonna draw pieces of islands.
When the earth is smiling, it means that it will have a hope that everything will be just fine later on in the future.
Are we gonna?
Why does the Earth have hands and feet?
Oh, I need to draw an Earth.
Continent.
I'm gonna draw pieces of continents.
Yeah, you can draw the continents like this.
Ooh, there's a heart Earth.
Do you think my Earth is good? It's not good, right? Because it's a little bit bent. It's a little bit benchong.
Menchong or benchong?
Benchong.
Menchong, right? It means diagonally or what?
I'm gonna draw the heart Earth on top of the circle Earth.
pieces of continents. Yay.
Draw the continents, draw the islands very nicely, and
Oh no. You know that song?
yeah, I heard it from TikTok. Yeah. Oh no, oh no, oh no, 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 no. What?
I heard it from my mom's YouTube iPhone thing.
Okay.
Oh no, 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 no. Oh no. Oh no. No. Oh no. Oh no. Oh no. No, 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 no. Oh no. Yes. Yes, I'm doing that.
Okay.
By the way,
Now
you
we are trying
notice I
to,
eat delicious bread.
yeah, trying to color the blue, light blue on the background.
Baby, tell me one more beautiful lie. One touch and I get nice.
What song is that? Ooh.
Alan Walker.
Oh, cool.
I think I ever know that, but I forgot in my mind. It's called Ignite. It's from Alan Walker. Well, my cousin loves that song. Look at this. She was a little girl, afraid of the big white road. She grew up in her castle walls. Now let's try to stop singing. What are you singing? A song? A song of what? I don't know what I made my own. You made your own? You can,
All right.
you can make it from YouTube.
Okay, I'm going to ask Alithia. Alithia, how's your progress? Are you now drawing your earth or what?
I'm drawing the earth, but now I'm going to color it.
Okay. How about you, Ruth and Ivo? Are you done with your earth?
No, I have to color. I am drawing the earth.
All right, Alithia, please try to draw it using your own hand, yeah?
I'm drawing our home sweet home.
Yeah, Ruth and Ivo, as best as you can, please try to draw anything using your own hand.
Don't leave any white space on your...
Try to minimize the help from others.
Dideketin dong.
Okay.
One touch and
Apa? Which green color? Jadi color lagi loh.
Right, guys. If you think that you're confused about anything, just ask Mr. Ali, yeah? Just ask me. It's okay. I will be so happy to always giving you whatever that I know. Yeah. Don't hesitate, guys. Don't be shy to ask anything. I will be so happy to answer your question. Actually, we are here now. Here are trying to solve our problem, and then if you don't know, you can ask a friend like Ivo or Ruth asking Ivo, or Ruth asking Kakak Alithia, or Kakak Alithia asking Ivo. We will gladly helping each other later on. Okay, don't be shy. You know what, Mr. Ali?
I'm never shy.
Okay, Mr. Ali is always like believe that if you ask, it doesn't mean that you're not. Yeah, it doesn't mean that you're stupid, or it doesn't mean that you don't know anything, but it means that it's indicating that you guys are very smart, because smart person or smart kids is always asking.
But if
They're always asking about anything.
like me,
Yeah.
But if not smart kids, but for not smart kids, they don't get anything.
What, Ruth? Can you say it again? Mr. Ali, don't really understand.
For kids that are not smart, for kids that are not smart, they don't get anything.
Yeah, if you don't ask, you don't get anything. You don't get the answer. You don't get the solution. If you think that you can solve your own problem, yes, you can. Just do it first. Okay, think first and how to solve it. You can ask yourself how you can solve your problem. But
By the way, did you not notice last night I have a nightmare?
okay, wait. Alithia maybe trying to say something. Yes, come on, Alithia.
You need to cut it?
Yes, we're going to cut it. Yeah.
Oh.
Yeah. Okay. So this is actually how Mr. R always working if somebody asking me to create the poster. Okay. What evil and good. Mr. R now is trying to cut it. Remember, in any lesson, if you don't know anything or you feel confused, please ask your teacher as many questions as you can. But take turn, yeah? Not always like you asking a 1,000 question without stopping, without giving any of your friends a time, a turn.
Scissors. I need to get more scissors.
Okay.
Well, I think I already prepared my scissors.
Okay, good. All right, guys. Whenever your teacher asking you to create some poster, please make it a little bit more creative. Yeah, not only drawing and then you put some slogan. No, you have to make it
Beautiful.
yeah, beautiful or unique using this kind of. This is one of the steps how to make a poster look.
Yeah, if you don't know how, then you can search.
Right. Now, Mr. R will stick my shirt on my paper.
It doesn't even dry. How come yours already dry so fast?
On my bottom, I mean, on the floor, I put my fan and then I put my paper on in front of my fan. So
Wait.
The wind blowing so very strong, and then
Oh my gosh.
it
I'm gonna draw footprints.
really needs some a little bit.
This is already dry. This is already dry, and then I'm gonna cut it.
Yeah, you cut it and then you.
I'm tangled with my fingers.
Yeah.
All right. I don't know how to cut into the forest. Wait, what? It's a very. Mr. R?
Yeah.
Can I go to the toilet?
Yeah, of course, Alithia, go. Don't forget to wash your hand after that. Of course, everyone. If you
I'll make the background a fishy.
Yay.
Now wait for it to dry. Okay, I'm cutting the earth. Concentrate. So concentrate, all right?
Okay, after this, please be prepared, yeah? You can present it and don't forget also
Presents.
you have to come up with the solution also. Not only presenting, you have to come up with the solution like how to solve the trash problem in your area or how to make people stop littering, how to remind your friend to always put the trash in the trash can, something like that. And one I will asking you.
You answer.
Yeah, okay. Because in Children's Art Club, you just not only learning how to draw, you also need to be able to take care of your environment, guys, and you will become a agent of change or something like that.
One section every night. What? My paper just fall at the ground. Anyway, back to the cutting. Before it was raining. Yeah, in my place it was raining, but now it's not. Yeah, it's weird. Yeah, very weird, very weird. But not crazy.
Because of my magic pets. When it's sad, it rains.
Huh?
It controls the weather.
Wait, Mr. Al, where are you? You're not here.
I'm here. I'm here actually. I'm listening to what you're talking, guys.
Can you practice singing?
Me?
Can you say do re mi fa sol?
Okay. Ruth, you will be my teacher, yeah? If
Yeah.
tell me if I'm doing wrong.
Can you say?
Also me. Don't forget me.
Okay, Ifo and Ruth will be my teacher. Please tell me if I'm doing wrong. 3, 1, 2, go. Do, re, mi, fa, sol, la, si, do.
What? You sound like Indonesia Idol.
Is it correct?
No. Do
Okay.
re mi. Fine. Can you say do
Do,
re
re,
mi
mi,
fa
fa,
sol
do,
la
la,
si
si,
do?
do. How to?
Now do like this. Do re mi fa sol la si do.
Do, re, mi, fa, sol, la, si, do.
Bit good and bad.
Is it correct?
A little bit correct.
Okay. I will try it one more time, yeah? Ready, 1, 2, go. Do, re, mi, fa, sol, la, si, do.
You have to
Little bit flawless. But that's alright. I finished my earth. Isn't it cute?
You
Yeah.
mean earth bomb.
Cute.
Wait,
Yeah.
I need
Good
to
job,
add-
Alicia. Good job. Ruth. Now please stick it on your paper.
Do re mi fa sol la si do. Do
J.
mi re do.
Do, re, mi, fa, sol, la, si, do. Re, mi, fa, sol, la, si, do.
Your voice is too low. Yeah. What now?
Do, re,
I think Mr. Al is going to be a good singer and artist.
do, re, mi, fa, sol, la, si, do. Re, mi, fa, sol, la, si, do.
This is how to
I can do it faster.
Yeah, okay.
This is how to do it. No, but I can't. This is how to do it.
Yeah. Why you do like that? Why you do like that?
I use my piano.
Yeah.
You have to glue it or just together.
Yeah, just stick it, yeah. You can use glue or you can use tape, stick it on your paper. And don't forget to put some space here, okay? Alithia, I need your help to read this one. Can you see it? Save Earth slogan. Can you see it? Read it louder, please, Alithia.
Which one?
Oh, this one, Save Earth slogan in English.
Save Earth slogan in English.
Okay, number 1.
Save the Earth. The save alive. They're taking the bed. No Earth, no life.
Okay, Ivo, please wait, Ivo. Okay, continue, please, Alithia.
No Earth, no bird. If you want a happy life, save the Earth. Earth is the only planet to have life. Save the Earth.
Okay, thank you, Alithia. Now, Ruth,
Um,
number 6.
Without Earth, no one will take birth. If you destroy the Earth, you destroy the change of life. Save Earth to continue living here. Save Earth to save many lives.
Okay, the last one will be Ivo. Come on, number 10.
Yay!
Earth saves natural.
Save Earth, save natural resources.
Save the Earth. Save a ray of light.
Save the earth.
Save the earth. Save a hope of life.
Okay.
There is no place to live other than earth.
Save
Save the earth.
Okay, last one. Our planet. Come on. Ivo, one more time. Our planet has no.
Our planet has no. What's that? Ultimate. Please save it. Please.
All right, guys. Guys, Alithia, please pay attention, okay? This is all the slogan. You can choose one of the slogan and put it in your poster. Are you ready now? Yeah. Or even you can make your own slogan. Okay. This is just example. You can get the examples and write it on your paper later on. Are you ready? Are you ready, Alithia, Ivo, and Ruth?
Yes, sir.
Yeah, you can
No earth.
choose one of them. Which do you think that this one is really cool? Okay. Or you can make your own. Okay, Miss, I will make my own slogan. Okay.
Kemana tadi kertasmu tadi?
I'm going to write down save the earth.
Mana earthnya?
Yeah, now I'm trying to write down save the earth.
Blue.
Earth for a better future, yeah? For
No life itu aja.
a better.
Ya.
How about I cross this no earth, no life?
Yeah, you can just choose one. If you think that you don't have any idea, you can get the slogan from the list on your screen, like this. But for me, Mr. I'll make my own slogan. Save the earth for a better future. All right? Save, you can just choose one if you think that you don't have any idea how to write. Okay. Or you can make your own version. Like Mr. Al, this one is save the earth for a better future. Something like that. Okay. If you're ready now, I want you to stick the icon, the earth symbol, and stick it there. And you're going to present. Right after you present, we're going to draw the Among Us character, yeah?
It's among us, not among us.
Among Us? How to say it? Among
us. Among us.
Among Us?
It's like us, like everyone is going to space.
Okay, Among Us. Among Us. Among Us. Do, re, mi, fa, sol, la, si, do, si, la, sol, fa, mi, re, do.
He's trying his best, Ruth.
Hmm?
Let's can you sing Twinkle Twinkle Little Star? I bet you can. Like this. Twinkle Twinkle Little Star, how I wonder what you are. Up above the world so high, like a diamond in the sky. Twinkle twinkle little star, how I wonder what you are.
Wow. Twinkle, twinkle, little star, how I wonder what you are.
No, not the light one, the down one, not the light one.
Twinkle, twinkle,
Twinkle, how I wonder what you are.
Up above the world so high, like a diamond in the sky.
Twinkle, twinkle. Yeah, I think everyone knows that song.
All right, it's time for you guys to present. Ready? 1, 2, 3. Who wants to be the first risk taker?
Me.
Done.
I'm a crab.
Oh, I forgot to stick this.
Wait, where's my heart thing? No.
Yeah.
Me.
Are you ready, Ivo?
Not me, not me. I already said not me. Me.
Oh, good job, Ruth. You know what? If you always trying to be the first risk taker, you know your teacher will be so appreciate your effort as well. Ready? Ivo, Ruth, you can present it. You can tell the step by step how to do it, and you can also share your concern. What is the things that you write on the slogan that you write, and how you think you can solve the earth.
I'm gonna draw some houses.
Ready?
Hi, my name is Ruth, and I write it. No, let me read it. No earth, no life.
Okay.
And the down one is no earth, no birth.
Okay. Why you choose that slogan?
What?
Why you choose that slogan? That word? No earth, no life, no. Why? No earth, no birth.
Because actually I copied your screen.
Yeah, it's okay. Why do you think that you choose that one? Is it interesting for you, or is it true that if no earth, there will be no life?
If I don't have an earth, then I don't have a life. And if mommy does, and if my own mommy doesn't have the earth, then she won't give birth to me.
Yeah, and then you will not exist, right?
Yes.
Okay.
I hate not having an earth, but I love having an earth.
Yeah, I agree with you. I agree with you. Ruth, do you think that Earth is important for all the humans being?
Yes.
What do you think that we can do? The simple act that we can do to save our Earth?
There are many types to save our earth, like throwing trash in the trash can, or tidying up, or giving toys, books, and giving toys, books, and clothes for the people that doesn't have any of those.
Okay, yeah,
And
uh-huh.
also make your not groom, uh, room clean, and of course if I visit my home, I say home sweet home.
Yay! Good job, Ruth. You know what, Ruth? Your thought is really, really brilliant. I can see that you are very concerned. You love Earth so much. You also are concerned about if we don't have Earth, then you will not. There will be no people or animal, birds. Yeah, yeah, they will not having
Turn off my
they will not having sun. Okay, thank you so much, Ruth. Now, I think it's time for
people.
Oh, woohoo.
Come on, show me what you have. It's okay if you talk wrong. That's fine.
Yeah, I agree with you, Ruth. Ready, Ivo? 1, 2, go.
Oh, so this is my poster. It says save the earth.
And
Because
then?
if you don't, you will die. And if you die, there's no people live and then take care of the plants and animals.
Yeah. What do you think that the simple act that can save the earth that you can do?
Well, to save the earth, bring a bottle, not a plastic bottle. Bring a bag when you are shopping, not some plastic bags. If you forgot to throw it at the trash can, it's dangerous.
Okay. Wow, you're so brilliant.
I'm slow. Didn't know that this is trash.
Okay. Okay. What do you think if you saw somebody throw something on the road purposely?
I will have to say, stop throwing trash. You will destroy the earth. You will die if you do that.
How if the people are angry with you, mad with you? I don't care. I just want to throw anything on the road. What will you do then, Ivo?
Well, I just I don't know.
Yeah, you're still kid. I know that. If somebody mad at you, like I don't care. This is my road. I just throw anything. I don't care about the earth. And then you don't know. Yeah, it's okay. You can just leave that person. You can just you.
Yeah, I'll just ask my adult.
Yeah, at least you already say to that person that if you keep on doing that, the earth will be.
And if he realizes that it will happen, he will die forever and ever.
Yeah. Thank you so much, Ivo. Do you want to say something, maybe for the closing one?
And some of the people that watch our video, make sure you are not throwing trash.
Okay then. That's really straight. Thank you so much, Ruth. I mean, Ivo. Now it's time for us to giving this turn to Miss or Kakak
Right there.
Alithia. Alithia, come on.
Hi, my name is Alicia and this is my poster. So you can see that it says without Earth, no one will take birth. So
Okay.
can you see that there's the Earth smiling?
Mhm.
And you know that this means like a slogan? I don't know how to say it.
Mhm. Why you choose that slogan, Alithia?
First, it's like something for people to stay alive.
Okay. Do you agree that everyone must throw the trash into the bin?
Yes.
How if one of your friends do not following the rules? They just throw anything just outside the bin. They don't care.
I will throw it then and ask to my teacher
Mhm.
that
Okay, you just
because we cannot throw trash in our classroom.
okay. What will happen if everybody throw everything not in the trash bin? Me, Mr. Al, throwing everything not in the trash bin. Your mommy try to put everything not in the trash bin. What will happen later on?
Everything will everything will be died. Like if you throw garbage to the sea, the
Mhm.
coral will die and the fish will die.
Yeah, yeah. I agree with you, Alithia. If everybody just throw anything without putting inside the trash bin, so they will be so messy. Yeah, the road will be so messy of trash, and then
Or maybe flood.
yeah, and then maybe will creating a flood later on. Yeah, I agree, everyone. And then thank you so much for everyone to present your poster. I hope that you guys can help to make our earth becoming a very conducive environment by always please do some simple thing but really work uh, for our earth. By one, do not litter. Second
Ifo,
one,
Aletia, let's say home sweet home to Mr. Al.
ready,
Just
one, two, go.
home sweet home.
Sweet home.
All right, let us draw the Among Us. Yeah.
Yay! My favorite. My favorite.
Wait, I'm going to share.
Yes.
Oh my god. I
Where
want
is
to
it?
imposter. I want to draw the imposter. I don't want to draw the imposter. I want to draw the imposter going to kill crewmates.
Whatever you.
Yes, that is Among Us. That is Among Us.
Okay, who wants to be the teacher here? Because Mr. Al is not yet know how to
I.
play it. Who wants to be the teacher? Okay, I'm
Me.
going.
Ooh, ee.
Okay, since
Everyone has to be the teacher.
okay, Ruth, you can be our teacher now. Please,
Uh,
please point your camera to your
Job,
paper, Ruth.
Okay, so yeah, how to draw this? We draw a line like this.
Wait, Ruth. Okay, ready?
I did it. Mine.
Okay, I'm going to follow Ruth. Ruth then. Ready, Ruth? I will follow you. You are our teacher. Please, ready?
Okay,
1, 2, go.
So, and then you draw a line like this. So for the legs, it's like this. So the legs is like this. And then we draw this. I don't know what is this. I don't know what is this one.
That's a
On the
backpack.
left? Is it
Yeah,
on the
that
left
is a
or on the right?
We draw the glass. And for the decorations, we can put decorations up here. I'm gonna put. I already know how to draw. I'm gonna put a kitty cat.
Oh, like that.
I'm
Okay.
gonna draw Mr. Cheese. Mr. Cheese. The one that keeps on saying his name.
Okay.
And then how to draw mangas.
Okay, can you draw another one? Good.
So this is for the little one. We need to draw this one.
Okay,
I
Ruth,
want
am I
to draw
correct?
my facial kid.
Ruth, am I correct like this?
Yes, can I see?
Yeah, is it correct?
Oh yes, it's so great.
My correct. I've been making snowman.
Okay, I'm going to draw like Ruth.
And egg. I'm gonna draw an egg on the little cute baby. What? Wait, Alethea, are you eating?
Yeah, so how did you know?
Okay, I'm going to draw this amount.
Are those the two imposters? My goodness, the feet is too big. The feet is too big.
Okay,
That's the dad.
Ruth, can I use Santa Claus hat on the amount?
Yes, you can use Santa Claus hat. Oh my goodness. I want to also use Santa Claus hat.
Oh, Ruth, this one is made from glass like this?
Yes, that is made from glass.
Okay.
Game. If you have a sharp tongue, that is the imposter. The imposter can break the glass because the edge of the tongue is very sharp.
All right. Thank you so much for teaching me how to draw the Among Us character. Yeah. You know what? I believe that if you can teach everyone, God will give you a lot of things, like a nice thing for your life later on. Thank you so much, Ruth, for being our teachers for this.
Mr. Al?
Yeah.
Mr.
Ruth?
Al?
Yeah.
You know, some imposters, they have sharp tongues. They can break our glass. And some of the imposters have knives.
Okay. Yeah.
Yeah, some of the imposters push us and then have a gun.
Mine.
And this is the other one. This is the other one. And I saw the game and some imposter just kill me. They just like check, and then I died. They just
Broke your neck.
so they just bend my head and then I die.
Okay, Ruth, what do you think of Kakak Alifia's drawing? Is it correct like that?
Good. Very correct.
Okay, good. How about Ivo, Ruth? You're the teacher. You can score us. Is it correct like Ivo did?
Correct.
Okay.
Why the knife is bent?
All right. This Among Us drawing will be your homework. Yeah, we're going to meet.
I already
again.
know how to draw mangas.
Yeah, we're going to meet again next week, and I want you to present your Among
Yeah,
Us.
next time I will be the expert teacher.
Right. Okay. Ivo,
me.
what do you think that you want to teach us? Drawing the Roblox or what?
I have a new one.
What is that?
This is a weird one.
What is that?
Among Us, but 1 million imposters.
Yes, can, yeah. So next week, Ivo will be our teacher to draw 100 million imposter
They
together.
should take a giant paper. Well, not too giant.
Yeah, all right.
100.
Yeah, thank you so much, Ivo, and thank you so much, Ruth. Ruth, I'm very appreciate your effort to be our teacher for today, Mr. I was so proud. This is my first time drawing the Among Us. Ruth, see that? Is it nice, Ruth?
Oh, what? Wow! That's
Thank you so much, Ruth, for teaching me how to do the Among Us. Yeah, I'm so happy today. I know how to
I
do
have
it.
to leave right now. My tablet's battery is low.
Yeah, it's okay.
It's
Now,
it's 24. Bye.
yeah, we're going to meet again next week. Yeah, we're going to meet again next week. So this will be your homework, guys. We're going to present again. And next week, please, Alithia, you have to come up with one idea. You have to teach us something, okay? For next another week after Evo teaching us Among Us, next another week will be your turn to teach us something. So from now on, you can think of something that you really master. Yeah, you can teach us. You can be the teacher later. Next another week after Evo's teaching us something later on. All right. So I want you guys to take a rest. Don't force yourself too hard. Later you will be so overwhelmed. Yeah. Okay. Just please see you again next week. Yeah. Ruth, thank you so much, Mr. I really appreciate your effort to be my teacher today. Bye bye. Salam buat mami ya Ruth. Salam juga buat maminya Alithia. Bye bye.
Bye.
Bye Alithia.